Is Symmetry Lab worth it pa rin ba, sir? You said in your past video na buo ba juice quality nila. For the context on this one, meron ako gumawa kasi ako ng top 5 local brands in terms of performance, and I've mentioned na Symmetry Lab has parang nagbuo ba konti yung juice quality nila. Again, very user experience yun. That is my personal experience. Medyo boba yung juice quality nila. It's not as rich, it's not as deep compared sa mga dating Symmetry Lab na fragrances ko. As always, diba, perfumes are always subjective. But sinabi ko yun dahil hindi lang ako naka-experience nun. A lot of creators or as well as users has noticed na medyo bumaba yung quality ng juice ng Symmetry Lab. Not only quality but performance as well, which is pretty disappointing. Kasi dati noon, si Symmetry Lab dun ang nagli-lead like for the performance and like juice quality overall. But recent times, especially this year, yung mga newest release nila has been disappointing. It didn't hit the market. A great example yung mga ultra male nila, it's not as good compared sa existing dupes natin, like for example si Sailor. And also there's also a risk in buying Symmetry Lab fragrances. May leaking. Until now meron pa din yung leaking. It's been a year. I don't know anong ginagawa nila. They're they're not addressing the issue even at the page, which is pretty disappointing from them. Kaya that's why I have no reviews sa brand nila, even though I own some Symmetry Lab fragrances. I currently own is yung Soleil Blanc nila and yung Pineapple Opus. I had to check kasi I forgot. It's in the cabinet that is dusting. I personally don't reach it anymore kasi there's a lot of better Hashivat alternatives, like for example sa Covenant. But anyways, back to the topic. I highly suggest din, don't buy yung mga mid AF na fragrances nila, yung mga Dylan Blue, si mga Sauvage EDT, yung the one EDP nila. There are pretty much mid and I've tried them. There are so much better alternatives in the market na same price or even lower. And it's so weird na yung mga fragrances I've mentioned is around on that 500 to 600 pesos mark. Not even as close to the OG. Or even better, it's not even on par sa mga local dupes existing as of now. Pero meron naman yung mga ibang fragrances nila hit, like yung Hibiscus Craze, yung Chanel Alhorm Sport, but most of the fragrances are pretty mid. Again, pretty self-explanatory din to kasi about raw materials, hindi always accessible or consistent na mga raw materials ang mga nakuha ng mga brand. Again, I'm not a perfume expert, but speaking lang or for my personal knowledge, I've learned this from content creators. Kaya for me, si Symmetry Lab is currently sitting in that above average tier. They're okay, and I don't think they're the best compared before. Basically, they're just a shadow of their past self. So, I hope Symmetry Labs mag-innovate kayo. Try something new. You guys have been playing it too safe, you know. But yeah, if and anyways, just feel free to ask in the comment na lang. I'll try to reply to like some of your takes on this one. So yeah, yun lang.